Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your project settings so the export goes cleanly. Set resolution and frame rate first because they determine final file size and compatibility. Once done, import your media and name layers logically so you can mute or trim quickly. Make sure to enable the project workspace view and save a copy. You're starting with a solid foundation. That reduces glitches later and speeds up any watermark removal alternatives you'll apply during export. You have two practical paths: pay or work around. Purchasing the subscription is the straightforward legal method, and it removes the watermark automatically. Do that if you value time and quality. If you're using free tools, export as a PNG sequence or alpha-enabled video when available and reconstruct in another editor without overlay. Alternatively, create a small mask or place a tasteful logo to cover the watermark. This preserves composition while avoiding awkward cropping. You finalize by exporting with the right codec and quality, H.264 in MP4 for general use, and then verify the whole video to ensure no watermark remains. Once done, play it on another device or upload privately to confirm consistency. If you still spot a watermark, clear the app cache, update Alight Motion, or re-render just the affected segment. Sometimes a corrupted preview causes overlays. And if export fails, split the timeline and render in smaller chunks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.